guys, it's Nizley. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you all the 10 daily habits that can change your life. So, let us dive right in. Our habits are things that we do daily without having to think much about them. But as we grow up, we have picked up wrong habits along the way, primarily from our environment and from the people around us. The good news is this: if we can pick up wrong and unhealthy habits, we can also pick up the right and the healthy ones too. According to Dyer, healthy habits are learned in the same way as unhealthy ones, through practice. The key word there is practice, which I believe you're all capable of doing. So now, let me share with you the 10 daily habits that you can practice starting today. Number 1, meditation. Meditation is a simple way to reduce stress and anxiety. Meditation increases self-awareness, trains the mind to remain calm, and allows it to stay focused. All throughout the day, we are bombarded with a lot of distractions, and starting each day with a few minutes to meditate and reflect gives us some peace of mind and gets us ready for the entire day. When I was still starting out with meditating, I found it so difficult to focus my thoughts. There was just too much noise, and because I was just not used to it, my mind could not stop thinking about my to-do list for the day. If you're experiencing this too, don't worry, it will get easier as you go along. There are a lot of apps that can help you get started with your meditation practice, like Headspace and Calm. They have guided meditations that are 10 minutes or less to start. Currently, I am using the guided meditation of Gabby Bernstein through her Miracle membership site. And whenever I am caught up with my day and not having time to meditate, I just remember an old Zen saying that says, you should sit in meditation for 20 minutes a day. Unless you're too busy, you should sit for an hour. Habit number 2, affirmations. Writing affirmations daily helps overcome the negative self-talk that we have and replace it with affirmative, positive thinking. Statements like, I am enough, I'm getting stronger every day, I am capable of success just like everyone else, builds that inner confidence in ourselves and our abilities. These are things that we want to repeat over and over again until we create a change in our belief system subconsciously. I write 10 daily affirmations the moment I wake up, and this simple habit alone totally sets a good mood for the entire day. But just a piece of advice, at the beginning though, writing affirmations may not feel very comfortable, but these are a powerful tool to achieve greatness in life and enhance our overall well-being. So just keep at it till it becomes natural. Number 3, move your body. Moving your body not only improves your mood, it also helps your cognitive functions and overall physical and mental health. I find working out as a quick break from everyday challenges and allows me to actually ponder on things while giving me the chance to reconnect with my body. I normally work out 5 to 6 times a week with different muscle group targets every day, and to be honest, it has helped me so much relieve stress and develop true confidence in my body. It doesn't have to be big movements, but small ones like walking your dog, riding on a bike, or doing some yoga. Our goal at the start is consistency, and what I found absolutely important when determining what kind of movement works best for you is asking yourself the following questions. Number 1, what do you actually enjoy doing? Number 2, do you prefer indoors or outdoors? And number 3, what kind of feeling do you want to feel afterwards? When you choose the kind of workout that you like, it just makes you happier and helps you associate good feelings with what you're doing. Number 4, enrich your mind. Reading a good book and listening to a podcast are 2 of the many ways to enrich your mind. If you are not a natural reader like me, you can start by reading 10 pages a day. That already makes a lot of difference. This not only helps you gain knowledge, it also helps you improve your speaking skills if you are someone like me whose primary language is in English. The good thing about enriching your mind is you can allocate some time doing this whenever you're driving or running an errand. You may listen to an audiobook or a podcast episode. Not only do you learn from others, you also get to be inspired by their journey and meet some people who can influence you in a good way. If I may quote Charlie Munger, if you keep learning all the time, you'll have a huge advantage. Number 5, practice brain dumping. Brain dumping is a technique to help you declutter your mind. Basically, all you have to do is to list down all the things that need to be accomplished, and by this, I meant everything from the trivial ones to the important ones. The goal here is to list down every single thing that you need to do so you can chunk them and work on them bit by bit to avoid possible worry or overwhelm later on. After listing them, you can then categorize them based on your priorities. I like this exercise whenever I have so many things to do and I do not know which one should I focus on first. This exercise overall improves my productivity and performance and just saves me up some mental energy that I could put towards other things. And before we proceed with habit number 6, if you find this video helpful so far, make sure to like it and leave a question for me down below at the comment section and I might answer that in my next video. Number 6, drink plenty of water. Our bodies are made up of at least 60% water, so our overall bodily functions rely so much on our water intake. It is as essential as eating your greens and taking your supplements. I love mixing water with lemon and Himalayan pink salt, especially in the morning. The Himalayan pink salt helps in flushing out toxins, keeps you hydrated, and improves your overall energy. If you're someone who isn't used to drinking water, I would suggest filling a large bottle and making a goal to finish it the whole day. I normally would just have my big bottle on my table while working and where it's visible, because as they say, out of sight is out of mind. Number 7, help someone. There is nothing more fulfilling than being able to help someone, whether it's a friend or a family member every day. They say the secret to happiness is helping others, as whenever we help or we give some kind gestures towards others, we also reap the same rewards. We also feel good. There was an old Chinese saying that goes, if you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go fishing. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. But if you want happiness for a lifetime, help somebody. Number 8, shower with cold water. Yes, you heard it right. Shower with cold water. Now, this might sound very challenging, especially during the winter time, and warm waters are way too appealing and comforting, but the benefits of cold shower include high alertness, reduced muscle sore post-workout, and potential weight loss. According to the Wim Hof method, incorporating cold showers strengthens your willpower, which could benefit many aspects of your daily life. So why not? Number 9, schedule some downtime. My idea of a downtime is staying away from social media. My scheduled downtime is mostly about relaxing and rejuvenating, whether I'd be taking a walk all by myself, listening to a walking meditation, or enjoying my dinner with friends. Scheduling downtimes actually makes me feel connected with myself and allows me to reflect on how the day has been. The more that I schedule time to restore, the more I feel productive the next day. And number 10, end the day with gratitude. Gratitude helps us see what is there instead of what isn't. Writing in your journal at the end of the day keeps you mindful of what you're blessed with and centers you on what you have rather than what you don't. So every day, I make it a point to write at least 5 things that I'm grateful for in that day. Even something as simple as the sunrise, the almonds that I had for snacks, the cold breeze of the wind, and the simple walk in the park with my dog. And so that wraps up everything. That is all for today, my friends. If you are still watching this video till this very point, make sure to share this with friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. So, I've been to my friends. I'll see you soon.